Do you want to spice up your Android by having a moving background? Let me show you guys how to do it. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and download this application. It is free to use. It'll ask you if you want to use the paid version, just say no. After you've downloaded the application, you want to click on Online Video Wallpaper. You can either find your favorites over here, or you can even search for some right there. So you want to pick the one you want. It'll give you a quick little ad, then you just click the X up top. And then you just click Set Launcher Wallpaper. Successfully set, and then there you go. Whoa, hang on, you have an Android phone and your battery seems to suck? Watch this video. First of all, if your Android phone has an OLED screen, guess what? Backgrounds like this are ruining your battery. Get yourself a black background and you will be surprised at how much battery you save. The reason is because on a typical LCD display, everything is lit, everything is backlit. Even if you have a black background on an LCD display, guess what? The pixels are still on, which wastes battery. But on an OLED display, anything that's black, guess what? The pixels are off. And, well, that saves battery. And guess what? That's right. Put it into dark mode. That will save you battery as well. Another tip is if you have 5G enabled and you don't really see any significant difference over LTE, please turn off 5G. 5G wastes incredible amounts of battery life, and, well, again, if you're not seeing any difference, why have it on? If you guys want some more battery saving tips, leave a like. So do you guys want to password protect any application on your phone? So no matter who goes through your phone, that application will always be password protected. Well, let me show you how to do it. What you want to do is download an app called App Lock. You can find it on the Google, You can find it on the Google Play Store. It's literally just called App Lock. That's what it looks like. It is free to download. Once you open up the application and you set it up, this is what you will see. So right here, these are all the apps that I can just simply lock. So right now, if I open up Instagram, it just opens up normally, right? Well, now if I lock Instagram and I go back out and then try to go to Instagram, boom, password locked. Simply put the password in and it will unlock. So you got a boyfriend and girlfriend that you don't trust and you want to see exactly where they go? By the way, kind of weird, but hey, I'm not judging you. This works on both Android and on iOS. I already made a video for it on iPhone, and this is the video for Android. It is so much simpler on Android. Let me show you. Shut up, cat. Anyway, what you want to do is go to Maps. Once you get to Maps, you want to hit the profile icon right up top. And then you want to click on Timeline, your timeline. And here, all you gotta do is, well, it's set on the day, so this is where I went today. Plot twist, I didn't go anywhere because I was at home all day. But anyway, you can click on Places, Cities, and World. So I just clicked on Places, and that's where I've been basically. Yeah, I don't really go out that much. Anyway, you get the idea. So here's some more tips and tricks for Android. If you guys have ever accidentally swiped away a notification and then thought to yourself, damn, I probably shouldn't have done that because I forgot what it said. If that happened to you, this video is for you. What you want to do is go into Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. Then you want to click on Notifications again, scroll down, and then hit Advanced. And then just simply click on Notification History, turn this on, and then now it will tell you and keep all 24 hours of your previous notifications right here. So again, if you swiped something away on accident, now you know where to find it. Oh, and obviously make sure your phone's up to date so you have that feature. Have you guys ever had a coworker or anyone come to your house and they want to use your Wi-Fi, but you don't really want to give them the Wi-Fi password? And you're probably too lazy to put it in because maybe it's just too long. Well, on Android, all you gotta do is just go into the Wi-Fi settings by holding down Wi-Fi. Then you want to click the little gear icon located right there. Once you click on the gear icon, you'll see a QR code right there. You want to click on the QR code. Now you'll get this. All you want to do is tell your person to open up the camera, hover over the QR code, and then you'll have the ability to join the Wi-Fi without ever giving them your password. In this video, I want to show you guys how to enable the Hey Google function into your Samsung or any other Android device. So on your Android phone of choice, you want to go ahead and download the Google application right there. Once you do that, you want to click on More, Settings, Voice, and then under Hey Google, you want to open up, oh God, you want to open up Voice Match. Here you will see, if you have this enabled, it will listen for that word even if the screen is off. So let's say you're laying in bed, you're falling asleep, and you want your phone to wake you up in 30 minutes. All you gotta do is just say, hey Google, wake me up in 30 minutes.
Done. Your alarm set for 4:57 p.m.
And that's it. More Samsung tips and tricks. One of my favorite features is panels. To turn it on, go to Settings and Display. Make sure Edge Panel is on. Slide to open. Click the pen to edit. Here you can add any app you want to the panel. And now you can quickly jump between apps. You can share for more. If you ever made a typo and you don't really feel like doing this, which is super inaccurate, simply hold down on the space bar and you'll be able to move around the cursor and be a lot more accurate. Like and share for more.